In this video, I'm about to show you how to make Firefox look like classic Google Chrome using the Geckium theme. This mod brings back that old school Chrome vibe and even lets you add Chrome themes to Firefox. Therefore, if you love Firefox but miss that retro Chrome look, this is the perfect setup for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before installing the theme, make sure that you have the Firefox browser up to date. You can check that by going here to the hamburger menu, click here under the help and make sure that you click here on About Firefox, and this will check for the updates for Firefox browser. And then make sure that you navigate to this link for the Geckium theme. I will leave this link in the video description below, right below the like button, and subscribe to the channel is also highly appreciated, by the way. Now, once here, you can pretty much see here that the theme is actually supported on many operating systems like Linux, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11, and even Mac OS. So I think this is really cool, and developers put a lot of the effort into the theme, so it is compatible to all operating systems. Now here down below you will find pretty much instructions how to install the theme. For Linux here you will also see the instructions for Windows as well and for Mac OS. Let's go back here to the start of the page, and once you are here, click on the releases, and then down below make sure that you scroll down, and here make sure that you click here on the assets, and here you will find this file .zip, and if you click on this you will get this file of the Geckium theme. And once you have the zip file here, click on this folder icon and navigate here to the downloads folder, select it here, click on extract all and click on the extract, just like so. And meanwhile this is doing its thing, go back to the Firefox browser, go here to the new tab, and in the input field search for about, and then support. So just like so, click on enter, and once you are here, make sure that you scroll down, and here you will find this folder, profile folder. Click here on open folder, and once you are here, go back to the downloads folder. So once you have the extracted folder for the Geckium theme, navigate into it, and here you'll find pretty much two of the folders, profile folder as well as Firefox folder. First navigate inside the profile folder, and then make sure that you copy both of these two folders with just like so, and then paste them inside the profile folder for the Firefox browser. So if you are here on the About Support page, click here under the profile folder, open folder, just like so, and you will see this folder right here. And now you can pretty much paste this inside just like so. Once this is done, you should have a brand new two folders inside the profile folder of the Firefox, so Chrome as well as THR themes. And we can close this window for now. And by the way guys, if you are interested in this wallpaper, you guys can check it out by clicking the first link in the video description. And by the way, this is not my only wallpaper. You guys can also check out the other wallpaper packs as well. And now the next part is that you need to open file location of your Firefox installation. So how can you do that? You can simply open the start menu just like so, search for the Firefox, right click here on the application, and here click on open file location. And once you are here, you have here the Firefox shortcut, right click on it, and then here open file location. And now you are inside this folder. Now navigate back to the downloads folder in your next file explorer window, go back to the extracted folder and navigate here to the Firefox folder just like so, and here you'll find two of the files. First one is config and then the folder defaults. Make sure that you select both of them, click on copy just like so, and then go back here to the Firefox file location and paste these two files inside. You will also have to accept the admin prompt here, so here I'll click on continue, and that is pretty much it. Now the last part to do is go here back to the Firefox browser just like so, and on top of the page here you'll find this button, clear up startup cache. So click on this and then click on the restart, and this is pretty much it. Right now the Firefox should restart. You should also see the Geckium theme logo as well and the welcome screen. So yeah, this is how you can pretty much install the Geckium theme on your your Firefox browser. Now here I'll click on Get Started on the welcome screen, and on the next page you will see Choose Visual Style. Here I will pick, let's say, Chrome 47, and you can pretty much go back to 2008 version of the Google Chrome look. Here I'll click on Continue, and then we have here Geckium settings, and down below we also have a warning that Geckium is an unstable pre-release theme. Make sure that you actually use this theme with caution. Here I'll click on Next, and then we have here the finish. I'll click on Finish, and that is pretty much it. You can see how the theme actually looks like at the moment. This is basically the Chrome look on the Firefox browser. Now to access the Geckium settings, you will see this icon here next to the input field here. So you can click on this here, and you will see basically the settings of the Geckium theme. Here you can pretty much select the design. Here, for example, you can change the title bar, and you can change that to, let's say, for example, to the Mac OS. And here you will see that we have these buttons right here on the left. However, I think that the title bar and interface style, which is Linux, looks the best in my opinion. Then we also have here the title bar mode, and we have every single option here. And then we also have other settings as well. Then we also have the behavior. For example, you can change the branding to, let's say, Firefox or even Google Chrome if you want to. And then we have the title bar here. For example, you can use graphite title bar buttons just like so. And I think this is only the feature for the Mac OS here. And here down below we also have the themes. Pretty much you can go here to the theme, and here, for example, you have custom Firefox theme mode enabled right now, which is FX Chrome-like. You can change that to Silver Fox or even to Don't Theme toolbars. I will leave this as it is. And then we also have here the look of the theme. So for example, right now we have set this to automatic, but we can change that to Geckium, and you can see that the color actually changed. Then we have the macOS, for example. Then we have this one, Firefox Alpenglow, which looks like this. And then we have Geckium 10, for example. And then here down below, you can also find Chromium Experiments feature. So here you can also see that this is also available on About Flags. And here you can, for example, enable white Chromium, Linux pre-alpha title bar, and other settings as well, just like the Omnibox UR vertical layout, which you can also enable. And then we also have the margin and stuff like that here as well. But nevertheless, the main option here is, of course, the design, which you can also change here. We can go back to the Chrome version 1.0, for example, to Chrome 3, and also to Chrome 25, which it was released in 2013. So overall, I think this is a really cool theme for the Firefox. I think it's definitely worth installing if you are missing that retro vibe from the old Google Chrome. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it for this video. So every single link which you need to install Geckium theme will be linked in the video description below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. And with that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video.